Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as banks or hedge funds, will trade on, unaccessible to the investing public. So it leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, which often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI technology are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. Today is August the 22nd, and you can see CSIQ, which is Canadian Solar Incorporated, popping up here in the #1 overall position at TradeAlgo.com because there's a 357% increase in institutional bearish pressure. So we're not surprised that the stock drops over 11% as a result. Now, in CSIQ, you could see this huge drop throughout the day. What our technology is picking up is that behind closed doors, right, in private exchanges, usually market makers are only trading about $18 million worth of CSIQ over a previous 7-day long average. Today alone, almost $65 million. So it's a massive increase in a fraction of the amount of time. No wonder it's making such a large directional move. But most people miss that information because they don't have access to the data or the technology. So at TradeAlgo, what our lightning fast machine learning algorithms are able to do is go through these private exchanges and identify at 8:23 a.m., an hour before the market opens, more than 16 times the average amount of institutional bearish pressure. Now, let's say that you had done put options on CSIQ as a result. We're going to go to the TradeAlgo options chain, and you could take a look here at the put options, which you can see there's a huge list of triple-digit returns. Let's say that you had done the $28 put option, for example. We're going to stick with the 15-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. Options opened at about 15 cents, at its maximum $1.35, which is a 787% return. Now, it's not about squeezing every last percentage point out of it. In fact, that's pretty unlikely. The market moves very quick, as you can tell. That's why speed and transparency are key. That's why they're so important. It's about getting the data and the information down here so you can make great, successful, positive trades, as opposed to hearing about it over here, which is where a lot of people in the retail market fall. There's 787% of profit to be made in between. What I mean by that is maybe you didn't even enter in the trade until 10 a.m. and then maybe you got out early. That's still a triple digit return. Get your data down here, stop chasing it over here. And it wasn't just CSIQ, there were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. Let's just take a look at one or two more real quickly here. You can see Macy's pop up right there with a 491% increase in institutional bearish pressure. So no surprises that the stock drops 6% as a result. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Trade Algo Alerts tab. We're going to search for Macy's, and at 8:58 a.m., about a half hour before market open, 65 times the average amount of red institutional bearish pressure. The TradeAlgo options chain, you can see a nice list of triple-digit returns there as well. There are many opportunities each and every day. Let's say, for example, you had done the $13 put option. Again, we are going to take a look at the 15-minute chart because we know that our AI picked it up in the pre-market. From open all the way to its max point, 224% return opportunity. But again, look at this nice window of time to be able to enter into a trade. Maybe you got in a trade at 9:45, and then maybe you got out early after you made a triple-digit return. It's about receiving the data and being able to act down here instead of hearing about it after it's too late. Come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can get more opportunities like this as well. And we can go ahead and wrap up the day on the trending up side of the equation. So at TradeAlgo.com, we're on the green side of the board. We have Novavax right here at the very top in the #1 position, jumped 11% today on a 500% increase in institutional bullish green pressure. We scroll down, we can see that there was over 130 million extra dollars of institutional bullish pressure than what there normally is. And remember, that's in a fraction of the amount of time. This is the 7-day average is 30 million. Today alone, it was 160. So one more time on the alerts tab, let's take a look at NVAX. You can see that at 8:28 a.m., 8 times the average amount of bullish pressure in those private exchange networks where large institutions trade. If you had done call options on Novavax, let's say that you had done the $9 option, a nice triple-digit return opportunity as well. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.